Hey everyone, today we are going to be making a charcuterie board. Did I pronounce that right?
Yes.
Okay. And my daughter is going to help me with that. This is my oldest, and so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, we are gonna make the cream cheese balls right now. You're gonna wanna make those 3 to 4 hours ahead of time just so that they're firm and nice and cold. So you're gonna start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 2.2 ounces of dried beef. Comes in a jar. Then you're going to want to chop up some green onion, and you're gonna mix that all up. Before you get started, you might want to take some pecans. I did a cup, which you can see is like way too much, but I did a cup of pecans and I chopped them in my food processor. And then you're going to take a cookie scoop and scoop up your cream cheese mixture, making a ball, and then rolling it around in the pecans, or the crushed pecans. And you're going to sit that on a plate, and like I said, you want to let those chill for at least 3 to 4 hours before putting them on the board. Yeah, prosciutto, and then we're going to do a hard salami. And then whatever this is. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. Okay, we're just gonna do the meats real fast. Let's set those out.
You have to do the cheese first.
Oh, we do? Cheese. You go put it up, is what you need to do. And then, you better say it, because you told me that.
Gouda.
I say Gouda. And then we're gonna do Parmesan. Some hard Parmesan.
Let me.
This one's like messed up.
Oh, that's because it's like, that's the way they package it, because that's actually from, like, that's fresh packaging from.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, Kroger. They package it. They literally get the wheels in and then they cut it themselves and package it.
I wonder, I was thinking like the other day. Okay, so just set it down anywhere?
Yeah, you can set it
On the
down
side?
anywhere. Yeah, that would be best.
And then do we chop this up?
You can chop it up into cubes if you want.
You think that would be better?
For that, probably.
I'm only gonna do half. That way if your dad wants it, he can chop the other half.
So put that right here.
You don't think we need to chop that up?
No.
In halves?
No, you can like,
Okay.
this is how charcuterie boards are set.
Okay. Well, I don't know, so.
I mean, you can like cut some out, like a corner of it, to show like people like want it cut. You'll kind of
It smells so good though.
You'll want it cut. You'll want that diced up for sure. But let me see a knife.
Yeah, we don't want that whole thing on there. Because we
like
need room
this.
for
Yeah.
everything else.
So, Gouda. You'll kind of show like, hey, this can be cut up. Don't be shy. Just cut into it.
You know what I don't have? Spreaders. I forgot I was gonna get
What are
some.
spreaders?
They're like to spread your stuff on there. Okay. Do they just stack it like that?
So you'll kind of like, yeah, line it up.
Ooh, this stinks.
Oh, I love it.
Like that?
Yeah.
You want it to
Where are your bowls at? Because we need to set those down before we do anything else.
all right. They're right here.
Set the bowls down wherever you want them. So do you want this cubed up? Because you need
Yeah,
to cube it up right now.
Well, you got the knife.
I just cut a corner into the freaking Gouda. I'll take care of this. Okay, so Actually, put it right there. Oh, careful. Well, I didn't realize it was gonna slide like that. Okay. Actually, I don't like that. Remember, we got grapes and stuff. Yeah, grapes are fillers. Kind of like fillers.
Okay. So is that good?
Yeah. You kind of just, you know, stack them just a little bit. These, since you cubed them up, you could probably cube up the rest of it if Dad doesn't mind, and kind of just spread it around the board.
Okay, so here's this. We'll put it right here.
Yeah. And so what I've noticed with some charcuterie boards actually is that they want a separation of meats for some reason. So like you can stack meats next to. What they do is they pair stuff.
So
like
is that
they put
enough?
Closer. Yeah, and then like right here you can put some crackers.
Okay.
And then like you'll go other places with the meats too. It's not like you're just gonna go one area, you know?
Those. You want to put those right there, or do you want to put?
Not yet.
Or you want to put one of these? Triscuits or meat fins or?
We'll not do this.
You just said put crackers down.
Yeah, but no. Okay, listen to me. Whenever I say like do it after, we'll separate them.
Okay.
It's kind of like it just makes the board look aesthetic.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna stink. I just know that.
It is? I never had it before, so I don't know.
You wanna go ahead and try it real quick?
It smells like bacon. Oh, look.
Yeah.
It's like,
It was like bacon.
have you tried it?
Yeah, I've had it before.
Okay. You want like that?
Yeah.
You don't want me to line them up?
Do you want to line them up?
I don't care. Right there? You want them in there? Or
Do you
where
want them in the centerpiece?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I was thinking we could put the spicy honey in the centerpiece.
No, you want the spicy. You want the spicy honey where they can see it.
Centerpiece is where they can see it.
Random one.
Sorry. Probably put them right here. Those are some big grapes.
Oh, you want me to cut it?
Yeah, cut it a little bit shorter. Yeah, about
Okay,
right
which one do you want? This
there.
one?
Let's do that one.
Okay, let me just make sure that they're. Oh, okay, my bad. Put the black olives like right there.
Where?
Just like right here. Just like.
Oh, did I show? Do you want to do the Triscuits? Triscuits are kind of big.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the Triscuits right here, and then you're gonna get the
Pita?
I'll try this.
we can because those olives need to come up here so we can stack more stuff. You could probably put in. There. We can put that right there. Okay. And then here's the pictures. There you go. There you go. There.
Do you think that's enough onion jam? Pepperoni, let's put more pepperoni, but you should have told me that we were going to do that before, like...
I was gonna stack it on top.
Oh, no.
Why?
You don't want to do that.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Okay.
All right, there we go. That's good.
Okay. And
All
then let me
right.
look around.
What else did we have?
I would. Okay. We'll just put one more.
Or where do you want them? I was going to say put them somewhere up here, but we can't really put them anywhere up there.
You want them right there?
We can, yeah, we can switch out the pita chips for them.
No. We don't have to. We don't have to do that. We can just take the pita chips real fast.
take those. Yeah, that looks better.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's way better.
You don't
And-
want to put the pita chips anywhere else?
We don't need them.
Okay.
We've already got 3 different types of chips on here.
Oh my gosh, Quinn, take a picture and put that on your Snapchat.
Me?
Yeah, that's what I said. You're the only one that has the Snapchat. Okay. Ryan knows it. Hey you guys, that is it for this video. I hope that y'all have a great day. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. I know this wasn't more of a tutorial video or an educational video, but if you want those, I will link a couple channels down below in the description box, and you can click on their videos if you're wanting to know about like the cheeses and the meats and all of that, what they put on a charcuterie board. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in a couple days. Bye.